Hey y'all, as always, products used will be listed in the description below. For every service, we start with a great wash and deep condition. I believe healthy hair starts at the bowl. After 2 shampoos, I deep conditioned her with Color Raw's Money Mask. I'm especially loving the Money Mask for silk presses because it's very lightweight, so it doesn't weigh her hair down or leave a residue. Also, the smell is beautiful. It's vegan, super hydrating, and the shine is a plus. Here, I'm just showing you how pretty her curls are after rinsing them out. The hydration is just wow. Look how juicy and pretty they are. To prep her for styling, I use Color Raw's Pop and Lock and Dream Coat waterproofing spray. The Pop and Lock not only provides a beautiful shine, but it also creates a protective seal that helps repair each strand of hair from the inside out. The Dream Coat is a frizz reducer, but also serves as a heat protectant and waterproofs the hair, extending the life of your silk presses. For best results, I use the round brush and tension method when blowing her out. I use my Kentucky-made pressing comb to hit her roots, and I follow up with my Babyless 1.5-inch flat iron. As you can see, only one pass is needed. Y'all, I cannot get over that shine. It is so beautiful. Now onto her pony. I start with pulling her hair into a pony, which I call the dry mold. This positions the hair in place for faster molding. Just like in my other videos, my molding method is always the same. I spray the hair, comb it back, dry it on high heat, then I come back and smooth with a small brush and dry on low. Here's a quick before and after showing the hair molded and the hair still loose on one side. Once I'm done with her mold, I slide the rubber band down, smooth any lumps at the base of the pony, and tighten by adding a few more rubber bands. I use my Edge Slay edge control and a little bit of Got2b to sleek her edges. After spraying them down, I'll use 2 wrap strips to dry the hair in place while I proceed to attach the hair for the braid. To cover the rubber band, I use a little piece of the braid hair from the ponytail and I smooth it with some Got2b in the black tube and pull just a little with a little tension so that it's really smooth when I wrap it around. The key here is you don't want it to look like you used braid hair. You want it to look smooth and sleek. Before braiding, I spray the hair down with some oil sheen. This helps me better detangle the hair and smooth it out. I use All Day Locks braid gel to help me tuck her natural hair into the braid while I'm braiding down and feeding in. Once I'm done braiding, I use a flexi rod to curl the ends, and I add my new favorite Shiny Gem Supreme Foam to the braid, as well as the hot water before dipping. And we are done. What do y'all think? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all of my socials at Upayislaycollabs. Please let me know in the comments what else you guys would love to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.